Doctors say aging doesn't start with wrinkles or gray hair. It starts at night, while you sleep. And there's one common mistake most of us make that is actually making our bodies older every single day. Most people think aging is about your age, your genes, or just the passage of time. But more and more doctors are confirming that how we age is strongly connected to how we sleep at night. You see, your body has this incredible built-in repair system. It cleans out damaged cells, balances your hormones, and strengthens your immune system. But this powerful self-healing process only happens during one specific time, when you're in a deep, restorative sleep. If that repair process fails or gets interrupted, your aging process doesn't just continue, it speeds up. So what is this critical nighttime mistake? It's exposing your brain to light and stimulation when it should be resting. I'm talking about scrolling on your phone in bed, leaving bright lights on late into the evening, watching intense shows right before you close your eyes, even just overthinking, worrying, and keeping your mind racing when it's supposed to be powering down. When you do this, you send a confusing signal to your body. Your brain literally thinks it's still daytime. It gets confused, and the entire night's repair schedule gets thrown off track. Let's dive deeper into why the night is so incredibly important for your body. At night, in the quiet and the dark, your body finally gets the chance to do its most important work. It repairs damaged cells to prevent them from becoming a bigger problem. It rebalances crucial hormones like cortisol and growth hormone, which control everything from stress to metabolism. It strengthens your immune defenses, building up your resilience against illness. Essentially, it slows down the entire aging process at a cellular level. But all of this, every single one of these vital functions only happens under two conditions: deep darkness and mental calm. The moment bright light, especially the blue light from our screens, enters your eyes at night, it hits a switch in your brain. Your brain immediately blocks the production of a hormone called melatonin. You've probably heard of it as the sleep hormone, but it's so much more than that. Melatonin is the master signal that tells your entire body to begin the nightly repair and regeneration sequence. So, when light blocks melatonin, it's not just blocking sleep, it's blocking repair. It's like telling the entire nighttime cleaning and maintenance crew to just go home. Nothing gets fixed. Let us be really clear about what happens inside your body when this repair cycle fails night after night. Doctors explain it very clearly. First, your cells don't repair properly. This means cellular damage accumulates, which is the very definition of physical aging. Second, your stress hormones, like cortisol, stay high. Instead of dropping at night as they should, they keep your body in a state of low grade. Chronic stress, even while you're asleep. This leads to the third problem. Inflammation increases throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is now linked to almost every major age-related disease. All of this means your body's aging process accelerates silently. You won't feel it immediately. It's not like you wake up one morning and you've suddenly aged 5 years. But weeks, months, and years of this pattern add up. And one day, you wake up and your body just feels older. It feels stiffer, more tired, and less vibrant than it should. And your body does try to warn you. It sends out early signals that you're aging faster than you should be. These aren't dramatic, loud alarms. They're subtle whispers. Things like consistently waking up feeling tired, even after a full 8 hours of sleep. Your skin might start to look dull and lose its glow. You might find yourself getting sick more often because your immune system is weaker. You could experience persistent body aches, joint stiffness, or a general feeling of being run down. Even your mood can be affected, leading to more irritability or low spirits. Most people blame these things on just getting older. They say, "Oh, I'm just not as young as I used to be." But doctors are increasingly pointing the finger elsewhere. They're blaming our night habits. That phone in your hand before bed could be the real reason you feel 10 years older than you are. So why do so many people ignore this? Why do we continue these habits even when we hear they're bad for us? It's because the damage is silent. It's slow, and it's invisible at first. There is no immediate pain. There's no warning alarm that goes off inside your body when your melatonin is blocked. The damage accumulates quietly, behind the scenes, without any obvious symptoms. Until, one day, years down the line, the accumulated damage becomes too big to ignore. And by then, reversing it is so much harder. Let's just take a moment to let that sink in. Your body doesn't ask for much. It doesn't need expensive creams, complicated diets, or intense workout routines to initiate its most powerful anti-aging sequence. It just asks for 3 simple things: darkness, silence, and rest. But our modern lives, with their constant connectivity, notifications, and the pressure to always be on, have effectively stolen all 3. We've traded our body's most precious healing time for one more email, one more video, one more scroll through a feed. But the good news is, you can take back control, and it's not complicated. You can implement a simple, doctor-approved night routine using safe and natural habits to help your body slow down aging. First, and this is the most important one, turn off all screens at least 1 hour before you plan to go to sleep. No phones, no tablets, no laptops, no TV. Give your brain a real break. Second, make your bedroom a sanctuary of darkness. Use blackout curtains, cover any small electronic lights, or wear a comfortable eye mask. The goal is complete darkness. Third, in the hour or 2 before bed, use only warm, dim lights in your home. Avoid bright, overhead fluorescent lights. Think candlelight or a soft, warm lamp. This helps your body naturally start producing melatonin. Fourth, try to keep a fixed sleep time. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. And finally, calm your mind before bed. This could be 5 minutes of gentle stretching, deep breathing, reading a physical book, or listening to calm music. It tells your nervous system it's safe to power down. These are simple habits, but they have incredibly powerful results. Remember this key line from doctors who study aging: the night decides how old your body feels tomorrow. What you do in the hours before you sleep determines the quality of your body's repair work, and that work determines how you feel, look, and function the next day, and for all the days to come. In the next video in this playlist, we're going to explore something equally fascinating: why your brain sometimes sends you strange signals, like a sudden wave of anxiety or fear, for no apparent reason. It's all connected. So be sure to watch the next video to understand what your body is trying to tell you. Protect your nights, and your body will protect your future. It's a simple promise from your body to you. All you have to do is provide the right conditions. Thanks for watching.